Hey everyone, welcome back. I just received this huge box from MEEDEN Art. I must say this thing is huge. It has literally everything you need to start your painting journey. It's a 72-piece of art kit box and it has 48 colors of acrylic paint. Guys, just imagine 48 colors, like literally all kind of acrylic colors you need, and it has all kind of tools you need for your paint, and it has some very high quality black and white canvases and an wooden easel. That's the best part actually. I really love it. They have all kind of heavy body acrylic paints including metallic, pastels, basic, all kind, and they got some palette knives, a brush set, a disposable palette pad, a paint mixing palette, and some canvas pad. So this kit was actually sent to me by MEEDEN Art for Father's Day. They are having a huge sale right now. I'll share the link below in the description. If you guys want to check out, you can check it out from their website. And so here's about the painting. My daughter suggested, why can't we just make a beautiful whimsical flower garden? So I actually went with her suggestion and she was helping me with the flowers. I did the background in pretty pastels and now adding some flowers. Let's see how it turns out. Just look at this paint. It's so satisfying. It's like I was literally messing with the paint. Honestly, at this point, it's hard to stop. I just kept going and going. Everything about this paint is just amazing. It's a heavy body paint. And so here's my little artist. She was helping me with the flowers and stems, and she was putting some colors in my pastels. And honestly, I love it. See, look at that. It looks amazing. And then I went with a shiny bright sun, just a teeny tiny sun actually. Just look at that metallic. It's amazing. It's bright, it's beautiful, it's shimmery, simply gorgeous. And just adding some details here and there, and now we are done. So here I was using MEEDEN acrylic paint markers. They are also amazing. So, what do you guys think? Did it turn out pretty or not? Let me know in the comment section. So, this piece is called Summer Bloom. Me and my daughter, we both actually chose the name and I love it. I just love how it turned out. Just look at those teeny tiny details and how pretty it turned out actually. I love it. A huge thanks to MEEDEN Art for sending me this amazing painting kit. Not just this actually, they sent me some other pretty amazing stuff, some oil pastels, some watercolors, some acrylic markers and brushes, many more amazing things. I'll be adding their profile below on my description. Guys, go and check them out.